I'll show you the ultimate TEMU Freebies guide. Now, from your TEMU app here, you want to go to the use section down here. On the use section down here, you want to go to Play and Earn. Now, on here, you can see there's a lot of free items we can claim. And it's not just free items, there's credits as well. So basically like money or coupons in value of $50 or more, right? Now you can see this is a lot of things that we can claim. Like for example, if I want this free gift, so I'm gonna get 5 $0 item, so it's free, right? If this is not available in the United States, just pick something else. So for example, here's this one. You can see this one is available, right? So just let it load, let it load. Now you can see we can get a lot of free gifts here, right? So I can get all of these free gifts like this 1, 2, 3, 4. There was 4 there to get a free gift. Now I also have this spin now item to get a couple more free gift. I can get plus 1 more spin. It's a lot of animation, a lot of pretty animation. Again, just click on spin, but I'm pretty sure that this spin animation is guaranteed that you'll get a grand prize, just like that. And here, I can get a lot more free items, like 2 more free items for $0. You can see, I can get these free items for free. You can just click on confirm and enter farmland, or if you can pick also 2 new ones if you don't like these ones. You can see, I'll get them all for $0 or for free. So just continue on and you'll get these free gifts. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.